My name is Dr. Jamie Peters. I am the Assistant Dean of Accounting, Finance, and Economics and Assistant Professor of Finance here at Maryville University. Online education is a challenge in a lot of ways, but Maryville does it in such a wonderful, unique way. And so as a result, what we have is engagement with the professors, engagement with other students, and engagement with the curriculum in a way that you are going to be applying what you learn the very next day you're at work. You're going to be able to do activities and projects that bring it from something that's on a page to real life. And that type of engagement is what's going to make it fun and exciting and push you through the program. Maryville has what we call the active learning ecosystem. The idea is that you have to engage with curriculum. You can't just read curriculum. And so what we do is we create project-based learning, we create activities. You're not just going to be learning from a book, you're going to be learning from others. Maryville has a robust and talented set of professors, and most of them work in the field every single day. And what that allows us to do is it allows us to keep our curriculum modern and fresh and on the pulse of what is going on in the real world, because we're living it as well as teaching it. And that's an incredible distinction, and it's one that is going to benefit our students in the long run. The future belongs to the brave. Let's be brave together.